What is the difference between private and public enterprise? Have you ever wondered how businesses operate differently based on who owns them? Understanding the difference between private and public enterprise is essential, especially when discussing economic systems like socialism. Let's break it down in simple terms. Private enterprise refers to businesses owned by individuals or groups. These owners aim to make a profit. Decisions in private enterprises are made by the owners or shareholders. This model thrives on competition and personal gain. For instance, a local bakery or a multinational corporation like Apple is a private enterprise. Their primary focus is to maximize profits and grow their market share. On the other hand, public enterprise is owned and controlled by the government. These businesses provide essential services to the public, like health care, education, and utilities. The main goal here is not profit but serving the community. For example, a public hospital or a public school is a public enterprise. These institutions aim to ensure everyone has access to necessary services, regardless of their financial situation. From a socialist viewpoint, public enterprises are vital for reducing economic inequalities. Socialism promotes collective or state ownership of production means. Public enterprises help distribute resources more equitably. Socialists argue that, when the government owns essential services, it can prioritize social welfare over profit. This means that everyone can access health care or education without worrying about costs. Now let's look at some key differences. Ownership is the first major distinction. Private enterprises belong to individuals or private entities, while public enterprises are owned by the state. Next is the goal. Private enterprises focus on profit maximization, while public enterprises aim to serve the public interest. Decision-making also varies. In private enterprises, owners or shareholders make decisions. In public enterprises, government officials or public boards typically make the calls. In practical terms, public enterprises play a crucial role in socialist systems. For instance, public health care ensures that everyone can receive medical care, regardless of their income. Similarly, public education aims to provide equal opportunities for all citizens. In contrast, private enterprises are often viewed less favorably in socialist contexts because they prioritize profit. However, some socialist models allow for regulated private enterprises, ensuring they contribute to the social good. When comparing socialism and communism, the differences become clearer. Socialism seeks to reform capitalism by promoting public ownership and regulation. In contrast, communism aims to eliminate private ownership entirely. In a communist system, there would be no distinction between private and public enterprise, since all production means would be collectively owned. Understanding the difference between private and public enterprise helps clarify the principles of socialism. Public enterprises are seen as a way to ensure everyone has access to essential services while prioritizing social welfare over profit.